Okay, time for a part two. So this thing still won't kick on its compressor. Try blowing into this. Yep, we have compressor. Nice. Let's go outside before it gets turned off. Yep, compressor's running. We have compression. Ha 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 ha. This thing lives again. I dropped a piece of cardboard down there, so I'm gonna have to put that back up in there because now there's just an open side panel. I'm missing it. I'm gonna take apart the Amana after the stream and try to get that done. Well, we have this going. Let's turn on Central. And there's a Train XR13 running simultaneously with whatever the heck that thing is. Amana. Let's see how we're doing over here in terms of venting. I just took this out and in the process destroyed my window again. I just recently I'm working on this window. It needs a lot of work. This is ice cold. This scene always does a really good job. Took the filter out of it by mistake. Ice cold. I want to try to close this, but yet I don't want to like mash this against the window because this thing is like sitting in here so loose. Just on the top of the window some more. 5,000 BCU. See it in my yard. Yep, running air conditioners in a snowstorm. That's something you're only gonna see on Gone with the Wind. I'm not sure if I want to kick this off yet. I want to take this one out, but my grandpa won't let me. We're not supposed to have window air conditioners in the winter time, but what the heck. They bought us Central this year, and yet we don't even use it. So, because our old Central system never worked, we always use window units. Coil's not froze up anymore, by the way. The filter for it's somewhere over there. I'm not going to even bother looking for it. This thing has a weird smell to it. We're going to cut this thing off. I'm going to plug it for some reason. Actually, I'll just trip that instead. Have it tripped. No one knows I've been messing with the window air conditioner in here. I'll probably get in trouble. I'm running the racks today. This actually is the fan that goes in this bedroom, but I decided to move it out here. It stays here in the floor next to this vacuum cleaner. And spinning down. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this. I'm gonna put some more tape on it, but thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bonus video! Here's a little video the fans that we're using in our house. We're using this little room-to-room 4-inch USB fan here in the bathroom. I'll make a video of that maybe tonight. 12-inch rack, so it's actually supposed to be in this room, but I brought it out here because I'm home alone. This is my bedroom fan, a 16-inch Kuo Horn Cozy Breeze. I absolutely love this fan. This is my first vintage oscillator. It's still my favorite. 20-inch Lasko box fan. There'll be a video of this coming up soon, maybe tonight or tomorrow. Hello, dog. Laundry. Here's some of my stand fans. Crappy Maytag washing machine. We don't just use fans in this house. We use heaters too. Right here we have a Mainstays electric stove. It's infrared heater, which I don't really need this one. Actually, this is the one I'll leave on. It's my heater. Here I have a 16-inch Nortex stand fan. I'll turn this to low speed. This one needs to be cleaned. It smells weird. And then over here we have a little home ceramic heater. Right here is a Comfort Zen Power Gear series. I'll turn this on. This needs to be cleaned too. I love these little box heaters. I've had so many of them over years and it just works so well. Focus! So Supposed to be an air conditioner video. I need to give people more credit for doing a part 2. Now, well, there's one more thing I want to do in this video. Let's toast a toaster! Dang it appears like people have blocked the fireplace. And I don't have time for this anymore. This thing's already beat to hell. Yeah. I was going to catch it on fire, but that's too dangerous, so... smashing it is the next best thing. We'll hit it one more time really hard. Actually, I wasn't expecting destroying a toaster being this fun. It's supposed to be a stand fan video. Let's turn on the fan. I'm gonna turn this to high speed. I'm hot. Vortex is on high. And no, I don't smash fans. I'm not that savage. Oh, I'm destroying it. Look at how bad that's messed up. And right in my own basement, too. One more time really hard. I'm gonna do this one more time. Thank you very much for watching!